Hi everyone, I'm Jeannie, and today I'm excited to talk about a unique and fun movie from 2001 called Sugar and Spice. I chose to review this film because it's a quirky blend of comedy and crime, and it's a great example of a teen black comedy that's both entertaining and thought-provoking. Sugar and Spice follows a group of high school cheerleaders who conspire to commit armed robbery when one of them becomes pregnant and desperate for money. The story is told by Lisa Janisch, the spiteful head cheerleader, and focuses on Diane Weston, the popular head cheerleader who becomes pregnant by the football quarterback Jack Bartlett. After being kicked out of their homes, Diane and her friends plan the perfect bank robbery. Diane Weston, Marley Shelton, the kind-hearted popular head cheerleader who becomes pregnant. Lisa Janusz, Marla Sokoloff, the spiteful and jealous head cheerleader. Kansas Hill, Mina Suvari, the rebellious cheerleader whose mother is in prison. Cleo Miller, Melissa George, the boy-crazy cheerleader. Lucy Whitmore, Rachel Blanchard, the nerdy cheerleader who gets a scholarship to Harvard. Hannah Wald, Alexandra Holden, the uber-Christian cheerleader. Jack Bartlett, James Marsden, the football quarterback and Diane's boyfriend. Hank, the Terminator. Rogers, W. Earl Brown, the arms dealer who helps the girls. Fern Rogers, Sarah Marsh, Hank's socially awkward daughter who joins the squad. Interesting facts. Did you know that James Marsden, who plays Jack Bartlett, later became well known for his role in The Notebook? The movie explores themes of friendship, desperation, and the lengths people will go to for financial stability. The film has a darkly comedic tone, blending humor with the serious situation of the characters. The movie received mixed reviews from critics, with some praising its unique concept and humor, while others felt it didn't fully deliver on its potential. It has a rating of 5.7 out of 10 on IMDb, indicating a mix of opinions from viewers. I thought the movie was a fun and entertaining watch, with great performances from the cast. The blend of comedy and crime made it stand out. I loved the quirky characters and the unexpected plot twists. However, some parts felt a bit predictable. The premiere of the movie was held in Minnesota, where it was filmed, and the audience was given Betty doll masks like the ones used in the film. The cheerleaders watch heist films to learn how to rob banks, and Kansas visits her mother in prison for tips on finding weapons. In summary, Sugar and Spice is a unique and entertaining teen black comedy that's worth a watch if you're in the mood for something different. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the movie in the comments below. Have you seen it? And if so, what did you think?